Year-end tax planning tip. Find out right now if you're on track to owe or get a refund at tax time. Don't wait until 2026 to do this, because then it is probably too late to change the outcome. The way you do this is by going to the IRS Tax Withholding Calculator, entering your information from your most recent paycheck or paychecks, answer the other questions about your income deductions, credits, and then a calculator will tell you if you're going to owe or get a refund. The whole process takes about 20 to 30 minutes. If you're on track to owe and you don't want to owe, you can have more withheld from your paycheck. If you're on track to get a huge refund and you would prefer to get some of that money right now, then you can lower your withholdings and take home bigger paychecks. To increase or decrease your withholdings, you will submit a new W-4 to your employer. If you have trouble with any part of this, schedule a free consultation with me so I can help you. Hey, my name is Arash. I help people create plans to pay less in taxes. Did you know if you like, subscribe, and comment on my videos, you will automatically save 10% in taxes? Okay, that's actually not true. Also, I need to let you know that none of this video should be taken as tax advice. However, I would love to give you individualized tax advice. All you have to do is schedule a consultation on my website, link below.